Hello and welcome. Ghost Sabotage here once again. It's been one heck of a few days, that's for sure. Sunday, I don't want those one-day flu things, so which means I suddenly need to go get the flu shots and all that. And ever since I've had a mucus-filled coughing fit, ever since, and it's starting to ease up today. Wednesday, Christmas Day was okay. Then don't say it was coughing that much to the point where I had a massive headache. Yes. Anyway, so yeah, because today it's not as bad. Ribs bloody hurt because of all the coughing. Hopefully, all that bloody mucus goes away. And I don't know why, but my calves are hurting. Like, must be the fact that I've not really been moving that much because of coughing and all that. Or maybe, well, probably all the coughing and that, putting a strain on certain muscles and all that. So yeah, it's really annoying. What did I give for Christmas? Just a few quid. Just a few quid. Anyway, that's all for today. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, tally ho.